O God's merciful love, today is the dawn of July 19, 2026, eve of my feast in the Philippine Carmel of Saint Joseph, as Sister Eliane of the Queen of Carmel. Sister Eliane, the French name, which is the counterpart of our Holy Father, Saint Elijah the Prophet who did not die, but was brought to heaven by the chariot of fire for his burning seal. Now I stand here before the luminous cross, or as the heavenly guidance says, the transfiguration radiance of the Holy Cross. I am here in the sacred ground of Arkham, here in Manaoag, in the sacred prophetic space, honored and nurtured by our brother, Kuya General Abelardo Villacorta, your spiritual general, for God's glory, grandeur, and grace. Today, guide me as I prepare the plan for the National Commission on Research and History of the Kapatirang Espiritual ng Pilipinas, convened on June 23 to 25 in the Philippine Prophetic Pius XII Catholic Center. O the Transfiguration Radiance, may I turn to our beloved Saint Joseph in this sacred space. Saint Joseph, oh my dear Saint Joseph, who called me to the Philippine Carmel of Lucena City, Quezon Province, established by the Carmel in Shanghai, China, called by now Venerable Bishop Alfredo Obiar. You called me through Saint Therese of the Child Jesus in your Philippine Carmel to fulfill Saint Joseph Barangay Education for the Golden Filipino Civilization. Now that I have offered this project, this Saint Joseph Barangay Education for the Golden Filipino Civilization, prophecy of Dr. Jose Rizal and Dr. Ferdinand Blumentritt, now I know that with the Transfiguration Radiance of the Holy Cross, the nation and the world will be guided in fulfilling Saint Joseph Barangay Education for the Golden Filipino Civilization, prophecy of Dr. Rizal and Dr. Ferdinand Blumentritt.